If you're under 100 subscribers and your videos barely get views, this might shock you. YouTube is already learning a lot about your channel. And the scary part? Most beginners are teaching YouTube the wrong lessons without realizing it. In this video, I'll show you exactly what YouTube learns about your channel before 100 subscribers, why this stage decides your future growth, and how to make sure YouTube understands you the right way, even if you're running a faceless channel. This is not motivation. This is not just stay consistent. This is how YouTube actually treats small channels. Once you understand this, you'll stop panicking over low views and start uploading with clarity. Before 100 subscribers, YouTube is not trying to make you viral. It's doing one thing: classification. YouTube is asking, who is this channel for? What kind of viewer clicks these videos? Do people stay or leave? YouTube doesn't trust new channels yet, so it watches behavior, not effort. Low views don't mean failure. They mean YouTube is still learning you. Most beginners think YouTube cares about uploading a lot, being consistent, trying many topics. But here's the mistake. When you upload different ideas to different audiences, YouTube gets confused, and confused algorithms don't recommend videos. Confusion is the real reason most small channels stay small. When your video gets impressions but no views, YouTube learns people like this thumbnail or they don't. When people click but leave early, YouTube learns this video didn't deliver fast enough. And when the same type of viewer doesn't return, YouTube learns this channel doesn't have a clear audience yet. This doesn't mean your content is bad. It means the signals are unclear. Shorts and long videos teach YouTube different things. Shorts test hook strength, retention speed. Long videos test trust, depth, viewer satisfaction. That's why one short can get views and the next one dies. Shorts are experiments. Long videos build identity. Before 100 subscribers, your job is not to grow fast. Your job is to teach YouTube 3 things. 1. Who this channel is for. 2. What problem it solves. 3. What type of videos belong here. When those are clear, YouTube knows exactly who to test your videos with. Clear channels grow. Messy channels struggle, even with good content. Stop obsessing over first 24-hour views, other creators blowing up, subscriber count. Instead, focus on one audience, one promise, one clear idea per video. Before 100 subscribers, YouTube is watching, not judging. It's learning who you are. Make that lesson clear. If you're building a faceless YouTube channel as a beginner and want growth without confusion, subscribe. Watch the next video on your screen. It shows the first thing beginners should fix to unlock growth. This is Hidden Hustle. We grow